The sound travels with a little less speed on Mars than on Earth. It's 240 meters per second on Mars versus the 343 meters per second on Earth because of the Martian atmosphere. Martian atmosphere is 100 times less dense than on Earth. Now you will hear some recorded voices on Earth and how they will be heard on Mars versus the original voice playback on Earth. Number 1 is Cycle Bell. You heard it. It is little distant and murky. Now number 2 is the ocean waves and seagulls. This was little stormy on Mars. Number 3 is Hello from the Children of Planet Earth.
Hello from the children of planet Earth. Hello from the children of planet Earth.
And the number 4 is Neil Armstrong's moon speech.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
You know, the high-pitched sounds like birds, whistles, and bells are less audible on Mars because 96% carbon dioxide in Martian atmosphere absorbs the high-pitched sounds. That is amazing.